Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting in this 3-channel dash cam. This is my rear camera, and I'm going to wire it up from the back here all the way to the front where the camera is going to go. And then I'm going to wire in my power cord extension cord to the one that came with the system so that I have enough length. And I'm going to do it in a way that's professional, and you won't be able to see the wires. It'll be about as OEM as it can get without going too crazy with it. So hope you enjoyed today's live. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section, and here we go. All right, everybody, I don't know when my battery died, but I got everything installed on this thing, and I've got the trim panels all buttoned back up, weather strips back in, everything's tidy, and got this all looking nice. So now all I have to do is just make sure my settings are good, but I like how my angles are on everything, so I can see all 3 cameras. I've got the cabin, and then the rear and the front facing cameras. So that's about gonna do it. If you have any questions about what I did, how I did it, or anything, all the above or nothing listed, drop it in the comment section. Until next time, now go check out some other content. Like, share, and subscribe. Bigfoot out.